Hello everyone, my name is Abraham Tamez, and today I will talk about the 3 places that I chose for my project in math class, and if it's direct or an inverse variation. First of all, the library. The library is a place where I go to do plenty of stuff. I go normally in the recess or when I have a free class. What I do here is or do my homework like Alex, or maybe read my Frankenstein book that I have for my Spanish class. And in this place, the library, I always relax there. It's very silent, everything is very good there. So the library is a direct variation, because let's say I read one book in 4 hours. In 4 hours, I read only just one book. Let's say that I want to read another book of the same length. After reading the 2 books, instead of having only 4 hours of time, I used 8 hours of time. Each book that I add, it doubles the time that each time that I read. So it is a direct variation because it is going, the more of you do, the more time that you have, the more time that you waste. Now, another place that I chose is the cafeteria. The cafeteria is a place where I go like twice or once a week, and it is where I go so I can, or I just go with my friends so I can be with them, or to buy food for me. Here in the cafeteria, I always buy a sandwich that is an Italian sandwich. It normally costs around 70 pesos, and what I do here is very different in a perspective. I consider the cafeteria an inverse variation, because when I am in line to buy something, let's say I wait 10 minutes so I can come up and say whatever I want. But imagine if they were, instead of 1 cashier, we had 2 cashiers. With the double amount of people that are in registering your orders, the time goes to half the time of waiting. So instead of waiting 10 minutes, I would have to wait 5 minutes. This is an inverse variation, because the more of cashiers that you have, less of time that you are wasting. The third one that I like to choose is the classroom. So here in the classroom is where I do all my classes. Since 7:30 in the morning, I take biology, Spanish class. Every class that I have is in that classroom. Here in the classroom, I do my work for the class. Let's say history class, the teacher puts us an activity, we have to do it, stuff like that, and we learn every time that I go there. So the classroom, I consider it a direct variation, because let's say I have to do one activity and it takes me 20 minutes to do that activity. If I only have to do one, it only takes me 20 minutes. Let's say the teacher says, now you have to do 2 activities for my class. That will take me around 40 minutes, because the first one, 20 minutes, second one, 20 minutes. This direct variation, because the more activities that you have, the more time that you're gonna spend in each activity. So yep, that was all. Thank you.